what's up? Out here in the snowy tundra of my backyard, in the middle of the snowstorm. But hated my face in a way like the crow. Yeah. Smoking cancer sticks in the snow. Walking in the snow. Car in the snow. Snow in the snow. Oh God, it's cold. Go back over here. This is my first video ever to be made by me, and it's actually rather stupid, probably. Guess what? See this paint right here, right there. I painted my face with a permanent marker. Ha! Permanent. Ha! I smile for the camera. I have cancer in the snow. Everybody boring. Everybody zoom in and zoom out. It's freezing balls out here. Why did I go outside? Oh. What's up? I probably look really weird without my glasses on. Ooh, vision, all my eyes, so I can see. This is just me smoking a cigarette. Okay, that's all that video is going to be. A cigarette. Ugh. Don't do this at home. Hear me? Don't do this at home. It's bad. It's bad for you. Hey, it's addicting. Oh shit, I just did that on film. Nobody hear that. My face paint probably looks really shitty. I'm going inside now. The window for the door. Jack. Mom. Hey, Mom.
Freaked me out when you talk. When I thought you was talking to yourself, going, "What on earth is she doing?" And then I see the camera. Hi, here. Put these back on your bed. I have to put your blanket.
I don't want to. I want my bed to be naked.
New jeans that you put junk on?
I didn't put it. I was painting on my pants and it freaking got there. Don't yell at me, Ryan. Duh. Ow. My room. It's very bland. Don't look at my bed. Window. Turn on the fucking light. took off his jacket. Ow! Ow! What? Attack! Hair Nazi! Blurry, 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 blurry. Favorite drink in the world. Dr. Pepper Cherry. Happy Valentine's, everybody. It's cherries. Okay, I'm done making this video. This is the end of this video. It's very stupid. This is where I sit on the computer all day. Right there, talking to Sam. Alright, later.